I see smiling faces, I see a lot of happiness about the new office.
Coming into an office with so many smiling faces, engaged people, new surroundings, really nice to be here in that sense.
The talent pool in India is enormous, and we need the best brains, the best heads in COWI to execute on the Future Now strategy. You educate more engineers in India every year compared to what we educate in Scandinavia for a lifetime.
Our colleagues here in India contribute across all business lines in the COWI Group, and we have seen the strongest growth across COWI Group actually here in India, just in the last year, more than 20%. Competences and capabilities that COWI India is prepared to bring to the table drives growth across the COWI Group. And I think here you have grown faster than any other place in the group.
Optimism is a very mild word as to what India is going into. Therefore, India is the new powerhouse.